No, it's just citizen.
I'm working on all the waterfront projects, Pier 17, Amish Bay, for about 30 years.
Find out stuff. Any possibility I could get some contact information? Any possibility I could get some contact information? Well, I'm not an expert. It doesn't matter. You are if you've been studying.
So if you refer to your map for just a moment, you see a large square object in the center. This is parcel G, and stop number 8 from your pamphlet. This parcel was, for a short time at least, going to be the new site of the San Francisco 49er Stadium. The Navy was not able to get the property environmentally complete in time, and so it ended up going to San Jose. Sorry.
Which side of it?
One of the main reasons we're stopping here is that we are on a large part of the durable cover right now, this asphalt pavement that we're on. And because we removed many of the storm drain lines, we had to put in drainage, they call them drainage swells. It's just a ditch for getting water off the parcel so that when it rains, it doesn't pond and puddle out across the site. So if you look to the left of the bus, you can see one of the large drainage swells that's been designed into this durable cover. Any questions?
What's the future of this area?
Could you repeat the question?
Was, what is the future of this area? And I do have a... This area is approximately 40 acres. We expect to transfer this to the city in 2016. And the future use, as they currently have listed, is residential or mixed use. So typically that would be higher volume housing, maybe housing above commercial units, maybe a side-by-side.
Yeah, I have a question. So you were saying those were drainages, or what was the term used again?
Drainage swell.
Drainage swell. Now, does that water all filter through an accumulator, or does it just stand there and evaporate?
So the question is, what happens to the water when it goes to these? A majority of these swells all go to larger swells that then get, it's stormwater. So it eventually goes into the bay.
Yes.
There are some areas, because the site isn't complete. Swells are not constructed across the entire site yet. There are some areas where the water just pools and it evaporates for the time being. Eventually, though, similar to the storm drains that were removed, all the drainage will go off into the bay. Yeah.
Just talk.
Can you tell us what were the contaminants that were underneath us here?
I had a question on the contaminants. Let's see. Catherine or Lily, do you know off the top of your head what the contaminants were here? This is a huge base. There's really a lot of information out there.
Okay, we were actually just trying to remember. So this is parcel G, and there's actually a variety depending on different parts of it. So there are some volatile organic compounds.
VOCs.
Is very often solvents. There are also metals in some places, and there are also some PCBs in some places. But
PCBs.
It varies a lot because different activities happened in different buildings, and so the particular spot you're in, the type of contamination will depend on that. But those are the broad categories.
Thank you, Lily. There's one question to the back.